chocolate today, put out into the sun for several days, and you take it, make the chocolate.
Monte.
Thank you.
To your grandmother.
What is this?
Chocolate.
Which chocolate do that stay so?
What do you mean? Oh, look.
Me never see a chocolate like this.
Maybe American chocolate.
Me never see one.
Buy this for your grandmother.
Wow, it look nice. You could have make up a tea. Where you get this from?
So what's your name?
Montero.
Monte. Okay. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Put it into the sun. Down, you know, this much. So what should I do with this?
She sell it for support disabled people in Cuba.
I support people with disability in Cuba. That's why I do the marketplace sales.